Hi, I'm Taylor Jones on the road with iCar's Collision Reporter, bringing you all things collision repair. It's always been iCar's mission to provide education and training contributing to complete, safe, and quality repairs. Recently, we got to go to an organization with those same values, although seen through another lens. As you can see here, we are at a busy intersection, which is often the site of fender benders and crashes. Today, there are many things being done to prevent these crashes, many of which are taking place at the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety Vehicle Research Center in Ruckersville, Virginia. We got a chance to go down to the center and see what their testing process is like.
My name is David Ayler. I'm the manager of active safety testing here at the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. And we're going to demonstrate the rear automatic braking system. This system uses ultrasonic sensors mounted on the back of the car. The same systems that you're used to beeping when you get close to an object. But this vehicle will actually automatically apply the brakes. So I put the vehicle in reverse. We're going to back up towards an obstacle. I'm not going to do anything. And the system automatically applied the brakes to avoid the traffic cone. Our research has shown that rear automatic braking systems in combination with cameras and ultrasonic sensors can greatly reduce the chances of backing crashes.
While these systems can stop drivers from hitting other cars, objects, and people, we can't always stop other people from hitting us. That's why when these sensors are damaged, it's collision repair technicians' job to put it back to pre-accident condition. Not only did David show us how the rear automatic brake testing systems work, he also took us for a ride to test out the front systems.
This system uses forward-looking sensors to evaluate if there's an obstacle in front of the vehicle, whether that's another car or even a pedestrian. And as we approach that, it will first warn me. There will be a beeping. There will also be indication in the instrument panel for me to brake. I'm going to act like I didn't hear that, and then the vehicle is going to automatically apply the brakes to avoid the collision. So we're going to start driving. We're going to go about 15 miles an hour. You'll see the target in front of us, and then in a few seconds the system will warn us. And again, it avoided the vehicle in front without me applying the brakes. The Insurance Institute has been crashing cars for over 50 years, evaluating safety. And more recently, we're seeing that these active safety systems that try to keep you out of a crash are very effective. And so we wanted to evaluate them and rate them so that consumers could understand how the systems worked and look for them when they purchase vehicles.
As vehicles become more sophisticated, the industry faces the challenge of staying up to date on how to make proper repairs. But if a repair is not done correctly, stops like this may never happen, and the results could be fatal. So as you can see, safety is the common goal between iCar and the Institute, and because it's so crucial, we want to continue to deliver you more inside looks at this testing process. For more, stay tuned.